and Kip, busy at work. Episode 1, hard work. Rumble, rumble. Kip jumped out of bed. Grass flew into his den. I need to clean that up, Kip said. He yawned. I don't want to work today. Kip went outside. Some bark hung from his doorway. More hard work, he thought. Kip saw people moving grass. He saw people carrying jars. Kip thought, that looks like hard work. He saw a man sitting on a bench. He tapped flashing and talked. Small things were in his ear. Keep listening to the man. That man is lucky, Kip thought. He does have to work. He can just sit and do nothing. Hello, the man said. I can talk right. I'm busy at work. Wow, he's working, Kip said. Tapping and talking is work. I want to do that work too. Bert and Kip, busy at work. Episode 2, how is business? Bert sat in her nest. The park looks nice, she said. People won't move the grass. Bert flew down to Kip's hole. Kip? She scratched her head. Where is he? Bert saw the bark. She saw the grass in Kip's den. Kip has work to do. Bert found Kip. He was tapping on a leaf. Seeds were in his ear. What are you doing? Bert asked. I'm busy at work, Kip said. Bert said. You have work to do at home. That's hard work, Kip said. I'm doing easy work instead. Tap on this leaf talk about business and meeting. But laughed. You were silly kid. She got a lift. Then she got a lift. How is business, Kip? It's good, Kip said. But you go. Let's set up that meeting. Squirrel walked by. What are you two doing? Bird and Kip, busy at work. Extra 3. More work. Kip tapped on a lift. Squirrel, he said. I sent an email. Yes, Squirrel said. Let's set up a meeting. How is business? Bert asked. Business is good, Kip said. Business is good, Kip said. Frog hopped over. What are you doing? We're walking, Squirrel said. A seed fell out of his ear. Grab a lift, Frog, Kip said. Soon Duck joined them. Mr. and Mrs. Crow came over too. How is business? I sent an email. Let's set up a meeting. Kip yawned. What a long day. The man put away his flat. The man put away his flat things. He left the park. It's time to go home, Kip said. Good work, everyone. Ben and Kip went home. Kip saw the bog. He saw the grass in his den. Kip said. I have more work